you ever wonder which comes first, sound or thunder?
Wait bro, kasi mas una, sound or thunder?
Wait, no. Thunder or sound? It's sound. No thunder. No, it's sound. Thunder, like sound.
Wala, parang kabalong. Ako galing ipangatalo na to.
Stop! Thunder or sound? Let's dive behind this science phenomenon. Imagine you see a lightning storm, then you see a flash of lightning, then you hear the rumble of thunder. It's tempting to think that thunder happens first, but let's break it down. Lightning is actually a giant spark of electricity that travels from the ground or within the cloud itself. This powerful discharge hits the air around to high temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of the sun itself. Now here's where the timing comes into play. The superheated air expands rapidly, creating a shockwave that we hear as thunder. Sound travels at 343 meters per second in air, while light travels at 299,972 meters per second. You see a lightning actually seeing it first because light travels much faster than the sound. The sound of thunder arriving a few seconds depending on how far away. To estimate how far the lightning was, count the seconds between the flash and the thunder. Divide it by 3. Each second represents 1 kilometer or 1 mile for those using imperial measurements. In summary, lightning comes before thunder, simply because light is much faster than the sound. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this clears up the timing of lightning and thunder. Stay curious. See you next time.